Welcome back to ABCD Trade Review. This is Diana, your trader and analyst. A world markets roundup for July 25, 2026, UK, Europe, and Asia, the global headlines that matter, and how they can impact India, plus stocks like DBL, CNL, MAXIND, DILIP. Around the world this week, UK FTSE 100 plus 1.55%, Germany DAX plus 0.74%, Japan Nikkei minus 6.02%, Hong Kong HSI minus 0.18%, US S&P 500 to 1.62%, US Nasdaq minus 3.50%. UK, Europe, and Asian cues set the tone for our open, and a risk-on or risk-off mood overseas spills straight into Indian equities. Here's the sector read-through. Strong U.S. tech lifts our IT names. Firmer crude helps upstream oil but hurts OMCs, paints, and aviation. A softer dollar and higher gold support metals and jewelry. And global risk-off pressures high beta and small caps first. I'll flag which sectors each headline hits. Now the headlines that can move the market. 1. India's HDFC Bank drops on weak margins, drags Nifty, bank stocks. 2. India's Tech Mahindra gains as strong deal wins lift growth outlook. 3. India's stock benchmarks open higher as IT rebounds ahead of key results. 4. Indian shares seen muted as U.S. inflation relief offsets Mideast tensions. 5. Nasdaq futures rise as tech stocks follow Asia's lead. 6. Indian shares muted as firmer oil, HDFC Bank way. Watch how these themes play out and manage your risk. Why it's on the list. It's up plus 8.65% today on 4.9 times its average volume. The trend is downtrend. RSI has room to run before it's overbought, exactly the momentum profile we hunt for. DBL rose plus 8.65% on heavy volume, 4.9x average, with news in focus. DILIP BUILDCON Ltd, VM, 540047, Q3 2026 earnings call highlights. Navigating challenges with. Technically, the trend is downtrend. RSI is 45, neutral. Support sits near 386.80 rupees and resistance near 487.35 rupees. On fundamentals, it's industrial's name. Market cap 68.27 billion rupees, PE around 5, revenue growth minus 26%, profit margin plus 14%. Short term, it's above the 412.50 rupees entry, plus 1.88%. Target 1 at 618.75 rupees is plus 47% away, and target 2 at 825.00 rupees about plus 96%. Watch 412.50 rupees as the line in the sand. Over the next month, expect it to oscillate roughly between 386.80 rupees and 463.85 rupees unless it breaks out. Across a one-year horizon, its range has been 386.15 rupees to 575.45 rupees, and it's near the 18% mark of that band. Long-term view, it's below the 200-day average, so the bias is weak. Better to wait for a reclaim of that average or a clear base before committing for the long term. Here's the plan. Possible entry is near 412.50 rupees. Book partial profit and exit some at target 1, 618.75 rupees, then the rest toward target 2, 825.00 rupees. Keep a stop loss at 386.80 rupees. If it closes below that, the setup has failed, so exit and protect your capital. If this breakdown on DBL helped, hit like and subscribe. Join our free Telegram for real-time entry and exit alerts, link in the description, and comment your own target for DBL below. Why it's on the list. It's up plus 12.28% today on 4.8 times its average volume. The trend is uptrend. Price is holding above its 200-day average, exactly the momentum profile we hunt for. CNL rose plus 12.28% on heavy volume, 4.8x average, with news in focus. Creative NEWTECH Limited, NSE, CNL, Q4 2026 earnings call highlights. Robust growth amidst challenges. Technically, the trend is uptrend. RSI is 73, overbought. Support sits near 615.55 rupees and resistance near 987.00 rupees. On fundamentals, it's a technology name. Market cap 14.82 billion rupees, PE around 24, revenue growth plus 83%, profit margin plus 3%. Short term, it's below the 1,009.95 rupees entry, minus 2.27%. Target 1 at 1,514.92 rupees is plus 53% away, and target 2 at 2,019.90 rupees about plus 105%. Watch 1,009.95 rupees as the line in the sand. Over the next month, expect it to oscillate roughly between 730.25 rupees and 987.00 rupees unless it breaks out. Across a one-year horizon, its range has been 528.15 rupees to 987.00 rupees, and it's near the 100% mark of that band. Long-term view. The structure is constructive above the 200-day average, so the approach is to accumulate on dips towards support and hold while that level holds. A decisive break below it would be the exit cue. Here's the plan. Possible entry is near 1,009.95 rupees. Book partial profit and exit sum at target 1, 1,514.92 rupees, then the rest toward target 2, 2,019.90 rupees. Keep a stop loss at 615.55 rupees. If it closes below that, the setup has failed, so exit and protect your capital. Like and subscribe for more setups like CNL. Jump into our free Telegram in the description for live entry and exit alerts, and tell me in the comments what you'd do with CNL. Why it's on the list. It's up plus 9.94% today on 4.6 times its average volume. The trend is sideways. Price is holding above its 200-day average, exactly the momentum profile we hunt for. MAXIND rose plus 9.94% on heavy volume, 4.6x average, with news in focus. Max India Ltd, VM, 543223, Q4 2026 earnings call highlights. Strong revenue growth amidst challenges. Technically, the trend is sideways. RSI is 71, overbought. Support sits near 151.86 rupees and resistance near 182.11 rupees. On fundamentals, it's a healthcare name. Market cap 9.58 billion rupees. Revenue growth plus 67%. Profit margin minus 57%. Short term, it's above the 182.11 rupees entry, plus 0%. Target 1 at 273.17 rupees is plus 50% away, and target 2 at 364.22 rupees about plus 100%. Watch 182.11 rupees as the line in the sand. Over the next month, expect it to oscillate roughly between 154.16 rupees and 182.11 rupees unless it breaks out. Across a one-year horizon, its range has been 122.85 rupees to 224.11 rupees, and it's near the 59% mark of that band. Long-term view. The structure is constructive above the 200-day average, so the approach is to accumulate on dips towards support and hold while that level holds. A decisive break below it would be the exit cue. Here's the plan. Possible entry is near 182.11 rupees. Book partial profit and exit sum at target 1, 273.17 rupees, then the rest toward target 2, 364.22 rupees. Keep a stop loss at 151.86 rupees. If it closes below that, the setup has failed, so exit and protect your capital. Enjoying the analysis? Subscribe and hit the bell. Join our free Telegram below for entry and exit alerts, and drop your view on MAXIND or any stock you want me to cover next in the comments. Keep an eye on global cues, they drive our open. Like and subscribe for more. This is for education purposes only, not financial advice. Trade safe. And here's what I want from you. Comment below where you think these stocks are headed next. Drop the future price you expect for any of them. Also tell me which ticker you want me to analyze next, and I'll share its entry, targets, levels, and full details in an upcoming video. And to get real-time entry and exit alerts the moment they happen, join our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description below.